guys, it's time for another paint party. Today I'm going to be doing something that I've not done before. I'm going to be doing a kiss pour and creating a feather using that technique. That is not a new technique. It is something that quite a few different artists have done, and I'm sure if you do a search here on YouTube, you'll find numerous videos showing that. Even after watching them, though, don't expect to be able to do this right away. I've already tried this a couple of times and they didn't meet up to my standards, which if you watch my channel, you know my standards are pretty high. So this is my third attempt, and hopefully it's going to turn out to be something that I will like this time. We are working with a 12 by 12 inch canvas. I've heard that rectangular canvases are better, but I don't have any on hand that aren't expensive ones, so I don't really like to try new techniques on my professional grade canvases. So we're going to use this 12 by 12, and I'm going to turn it sideways, you know, turn it at an angle when I pour to make it a little easier for getting the correct direction of it. I will be providing you the brands and paint colors in the description box. If you're interested in those, just go to the description box and check those out. I will be playing some music for you during the pouring portion, but I will come back at the end and we'll talk about the results, and I'll give you a close-up. Let's party! Okay guys, I'm going to stop. It doesn't look bad, but two of my colors aren't showing at all. I guess I didn't put enough in there, in the cup of them. They were, you know, about the same consistency, or I was pouring too much black. That's another thing that could be the issue. When I tried this technique before, I wasn't using black, and I didn't have a problem seeing all the colors, but it didn't turn out this well as far as the feather, you know, form. But I'm going to, I guess, be okay with it, though it's nothing like what I really wanted. I'm going to let it dry and see how it looks, and I can always, you know, pour over it if I want. So I'm going to get the camera down now and give you a close-up. Okay, we're going to do a close-up on this feather, and let's see if we can get it to focus. Here we go. I didn't need to blow out the edges. I have seen some people do that in order to get the ends to be, you know, feathery, but I didn't need to do that. My camera is just deciding to be a pain. Sorry about that, guys. As you can see, we're not seeing any blue or the purple at all. So I know I'm going to want to do this again. But as I said, this is my first time getting a decent results that I liked at all. So I'm seeing a little bit of the hint of purple here at the end. But when it dries, we'll see if that shows up at all better. But it should be, you know, actually throughout at least half of the feather. But overall, I'm happy with it because, as I said, this technique is not as easy as it looks. And I'm not new to doing paint pouring, and I had to try it several times to get this results. So if you've not done it before, be prepared to have to practice. But that's kind of how it is with most of the techniques. They're not going to turn out perfect the first times that you do it. That's just how it is. And that's part of the fun, you know, working toward getting what you know, getting it to come out exactly how you want. Anyway, I'm going to call that a wrap for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will be seeing you again soon for another paint party. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Okay, guys. I didn't wrap it up for the day, as I said I was. And if you watch my channel, you are probably not really totally surprised by that. Because it wasn't really what I wanted. And so if I've got the time and the ability, I'm going to keep working on something until I get something that's more to my liking. And this one isn't perfect, but it is much more to my liking. The black background is, you know, something that I've struggled with a lot for some reason. I love it the way it looks, but a lot of times it wants to swallow up my colors. And that's kind of what's happening here. But you can see them a lot better than the last one. I added this yellow down the middle because you couldn't see yellow at all, and I wanted the center, you know, to stand out, so that should help. I had to add that with a knife, but I'm going to get close and let you see. It is, you know, a lot more color to it than the last one. I've spent a lot of time on this, so, you know, it's, some people may think that that's silly, but it's all a learning process, and, you know, that's what I felt like I needed to do, you know, to be happy with it. And I've took the torch to it several times. I took a straw and blew out the sides. I mean, it was, you know, flowing. It looked flowing, but it was just too straight looking. I didn't like that. I wanted it to be more feathery and light looking around the edges. So I took a straw, and I've had to work with keeping it from expanding too much, and so it's had a lot of challenges. It's going to be something that I'm definitely going to want to do again in the future. I definitely want to do it on a rectangular canvas next time, but I'm glad I took this opportunity to at least try it, and I hope you guys like it. We'll see how it looks when it's dry. That'll be interesting. But for now, I will say farewell and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.